Yeah, you need to tell people why we're doing this.
The reason why we're shooting this video is because Wes wanted to taste these. Wes has never had it. This one's gonna be way different. This one's gonna be way better.
Food truck recipe.
Cheers, bro. I need honest feedback though. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a chopped brisket cheesesteak. You'll never look at Philly the same way again. Let's get to cooking. All right, so for this one, we're gonna do it a little bit different. We used mayo on the last one, and I had an idea. Wes wanted to really have this cheesesteak, so I thought I'm gonna kick it up just a little bit, and I'm gonna make a redneck sauce, our Oklahoma redneck sauce. And yes, I got the Cheese Wiz, and I heard you in the comments, the whole provolone people, everybody knows it's Cheese Wiz. Although if you like provolone, you knock yourself out. We are gonna use mayo. Don't worry about writing it down right now. We put all these on kosmosq.com/recipes, print them off, make it for yourself. Ketchup, and I promise you, this is gonna be next level. This is gonna be better, Wes, than the one I had on the food truck. A little bit of hot sauce. I like the Valentine's extra hot. That's Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of ghost pepper wing dust. It's not that much, you're fine. Season it up, a little bit of SPG. Listen, you're gonna save this recipe for later. Made by an actual redneck.
Authentic redneck, authentic sauce.
It could be hotter. Oh, there it is. All right, in the fridge. I'm gonna go ahead and get my hoagie out. Every time I cook out here on this griddle, it follows the shit. So if you wasn't out here for the last one, I was so mad I threw that son of a bitch in the trash. I was pissed. And Wes is looking at me off camera and goes, what'd you do that for? Wes is like the only one I can talk to when I'm pissed. Anywho, let's get to cooking. Cheese Wiz goes on first. I'm gonna go ahead and put the onions down. Probably, that's plenty of onions. So for the brisket, it's just chopped brisket that we've had left over. This is exactly how we made them on the food truck. Except at the time, I didn't have double pepper cow cover, but I do now. Season that up. That's really about it right there. This is where I need to be like. Looky there. Looky there, dude. I'm telling you right now. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put my sauce in because last time mistakes were made. This is gonna be a big sandwich. There's no way I could have got this in there off the grill. Dude, I'm telling you right now. All right, you ready? You got your B-roll running? You ready to get it? This is the best part right here. Ready? Here we go. If I moved to Philadelphia and started making these, I could not contain all the orders. That, my friends, is how you make a proper cheesesteak. Come on, Wes. We'll split this. I'll cut this in half. I'll take this little guy right here.
It's not bad. It's great. The chopped brisket gets a little crunchy, a little crispy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
That's what gets you.
and the heat kind of comes in a little bit.
It's kind of like an onion burger meets a brisket. We sold 1,000 of them in one day. And there was, I think, 8 of us in there. It was just boom, I mean, it was nuts. How would that rank in Philly? You've been to Philly, you've had them.
They're not doing it like this.
No, they ain't doing it like
No,
this.
it's like, they're not messing with it like this.
No, not at all. It's too expensive,
Oh, yeah.
honestly. So, man, I'm gonna crush this, the rest of this. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes, print it off, make it for yourself. I promise you, this is the one. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
If you want some of this smoke,
Come down to Oklahoma, Tuttle, Oklahoma. Make it, hell, make it for yourself. And then thank me later. Yeah, you better get that picture.